Okay, now this is important, right? So I record it. Okay. Okay. With regular expressions. Okay. So when I ask you, hey, the regular expression, you see that as an appendix, so that means that regular expression will be there, right? Or why I think appendix. Okay. So I explicitly say that you have to, in the paper, say that you have to write in Python style or Python code, okay? And I also give you a code fragment of Python. So if you think that, oh yeah, I only know how to write expression in JavaScript, okay? Get prepared, okay? Prepare for the Python version, okay? So then, yeah, I cannot say much, so I will open up some folder. So which year do you want? Yeah, maybe last year, not this year. This year is empty. Already removed it. Yeah, let's take a look at what happened last year, right? Um, Last year, yeah, you see a coaster folder. Yeah. So last year, don't think that both paper of 10 pages they are the same. Okay, this is last year. Okay, and of course the cover is the same. Okay, and the inside are not the same. Why the resolution is that bad? How can I improve it? Can you see it? No, no, no. Hey, okay, okay, okay. This is better. It's better, but you cannot see it. No. CHK and Mac are not a good couple, huh? Okay, make it bigger, bigger. Hey, okay, okay, okay. This is good. This is good. Okay, now you can see it now. Okay, good. Okay, so yeah, this is the what I call a very short questions, a very small marks. Okay, but this year we have fewer. Some people already asked me, hey, will I talk about will I ask question over HTML5? Yes. Yeah, I will ask. Okay. So I will ask for last lecture I talked about HTML5 for storage, local storage, session storage, and this is not this year paper, last year. Okay. So I will ask, hey, what is an event so that I can expire it? Let's say cookies. Okay, cookies just expired either. Yeah, you have to write bigger. Okay, don't think that I only leave a very small spot there. You only write one sentence. No. Okay. So then previous year, okay, I already talked about most of the topic that you've seen, okay, in the lecture. So let's say this is from is it from last week or this week? This week, company covered. I can't remember when last week I have to do so. Okay, so let's say I ask you this question. How do you answer it? 2 marks only. Yeah, if you have attended lecture, you definitely find the answer. But if you didn't, then what's the answer? Why? What? What did you say? Just
Yeah, to ensure that the callback function is not null.
It's not now or it exists.
Undefined.
It says is the checking of course not perfect. Just there exists a names like that. Okay, it's not now or when it says it's not now or yeah, you say something like this. Okay, so this all actually coming from the lectures. Let's take a look at what are those. Yeah, copy and paste from lecture looks great. Okay. Yeah, so I will say in the lecture, so this function is called talk about design pattern, okay, using JavaScript, okay, and the use of the code structure together with it, okay. So then it is a medium-sized question. So usually the medium-sized question, I love to make up some stories. Okay, sometimes it's no story, then I will get directly to the questions like this one. What is the output you expected? Okay, and then I said that you need to write JavaScript, right? So is it the question that? Oh yeah, I will say please write the code for the class. Okay. The previous case is a class. Okay, so that I want to execute something. Okay. And many people ask me, okay, in previous year, no matter it is from OS course or not. Okay. And usually I need you to modify this code. Okay. But 17 lines of code already too much for you guys. Okay. So usually I will ask you to let's say you want to copy some codes, yeah, go ahead, copy all, okay? Yeah, you can say it or copy something. And then, yes, so this is a kosher questions, okay? So if you already understand kosher, then it's not a difficult task to you, okay? If this is the first time that you heard about kosher, now, that means that you are in a big trouble. If you know kosher from the lecture, then you can revise the lecture notes. It's actually has a bug in this program, okay? Now I'll give you 10 minutes, okay, where you can understand this question well. So this code has a problem, okay? The original purpose is that for each time, so this is Windows set timer function, for each time starting from I equal to 1, so that means 1 second later, I will call that function once, and then keep on doing so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay? And each time I will do one thing. What is that? What is that? Did I ask what is it? Yeah. What does this give? Yeah. So it will give an element, and the element is I. Okay. So that means an italic. Okay. And then the new line. So the test is actually the we go to I, right? Text, no, sorry, it's not italic, okay. It's I is a test, okay. The test with I is equal to 1 and 2 and 3 and then 4. So for in each seconds, okay, I expect that you will show 10 statements starting from 1 all the way to top to 10 and then stop. And it's not as expected. Okay, it's not as expected. So very generous, 3 marks. Write down what happened. What happened? What? Yeah, 11, 11, 11 for how many times? 10 times. Okay? 3 marks, exactly. Yeah, good. Okay? So, then we will have another questions. Of course, modify that. Modify it. Now, according to, I just, before I come, I read that, usually I grade all the questions. I grade all the answers. And I write down the comments, okay? According to the comments that I write down, most of you don't know how to answer to part 2. But actually it's not difficult. How? Okay, so let me do a copy and paste here. Wow, why I cannot do? Okay. What was this? No, this is AI program written by year 1 students. You don't know year 1 students know how to write AI now? Okay. So this is the code, how to modify it. What? VARX equal to I. Return function of what? Yes, and then call it. Did I skip anything? Okay. I missed semicolon. Here also missed semicolon. Here, no, it's not semicolon. It's a comma. Yeah. Is it correct? Yes, I guess so. What? Any problem? So this is kosher, right? If you remember, okay? So I force the function to execute so that it will return a function, and the calling function. Now, according to my grade report I write down, okay? Most of the people put that missing out that pair of phrases. I mean, a pair of vectors. They forgot to call the function. Okay, they remember to set up a function inside a function, but they didn't call it. Okay. Second is some people miss out this line and make it become I. Make this become I. Okay? Yeah, because they try to remember the code, but they don't try to understand why I write it in this way. Okay? So you better do some revision if you expect that, okay, I will have culture. Okay? So then this is culture, then I have a regular expression, okay, so I talk about something bad about ELG wave, okay. That you don't know that ELG wave sucks. Yeah, in the login page, okay. So then I create some stories, and by that time I was teaching in Perl, okay, so I will change now, okay, into Python. In the examination, I don't know because I didn't check whether the spelling mistake, okay. If you find that I name Perl instead of Python, raise up your hand and tell me, okay. I really mean Python if you find something like that, okay. So then I will sometimes set up some sample codes for you to use, okay, and then you can go on with thing, okay. Questions. Then Google Analytics. So this questions is about a combination between cookies as well as JavaScript, okay, as well as JSON-P, okay, JSON-P, JavaScript. This JavaScript calling flowchart will come in. Okay, so flowchart. Where is flowchart? Oh, the flowchart. No, I remember another questions. Okay, yeah, the flowchart is a describe. I want you to describe to me. Okay, so basically what this script is doing. Last time, many people performed very bad in these questions. Okay, why? Because this at that year, this is new questions that I invented. Okay, they think that you will repeat all the questions. Sorry, I won't. Okay, and suddenly give a new type of question, and what is this? Actually. Google Analytics is work like this, okay? It's generate a piece of code and ask you to put that code onto your web page so that when a code that you inject into the page run, it will just JSON-P to download a second level of code, okay, from Google, okay? A second code from Google, okay? And the second code is actually a bigger code inject into your browser, try to get the cookies out, okay? And then I ask all the questions about how this Google Analytics works, okay? So when it appear again, yeah, you think about it. Okay, so then yeah, this question I keep on repeating, okay? Repeating in the sense that what is a secure way to communicate with a browser to a server, okay? So last year's questions is I give out a real scenario in a IT foundation course. I really hack although it's recorded, okay? I hack CHK Wi-Fi, okay, over the class and show the class, hey, this is dangerous, hey, this is not dangerous, okay? Then I make this up and become a questions and ask you guys, okay? Now this is the first question paper you have seen. What happened? Okay, this is the solution. I also write down the comments there. Okay, and what happened in one more year? So I just give you the review of 2 years, then you will understand how to answer the questions, and also how I lay out the exam paper. Okay, is it good? The resolution? Yeah, seem okay. Yeah, see? Yeah, repeating. Yeah, and I guess that I repeat all things now, okay? Why the structure is so close to this year? There's very few short questions, okay? Yeah, I just make up some best scenario, Google and Samsung, okay? Samsung becomes Samsung. Shock, okay? And then create some backstory about open source licensing, okay? A license of our open source license app to be inherit, okay, in derivatives, okay. So you derive a new product, then you have to carry that GNU license. So basically, it's talking about this whole question is about this license properties called copy, okay. Then yeah. Yeah. So you know my 4140 style, right? Yeah, 3150 won't happen like this, okay? Yeah, because 3150 is very easy to set up paper. 4140, I want to delete the examination, okay? So yeah, you know. So I don't know why last year people perform bad. I don't know. First, maybe they don't understand what is culture, or you don't have time to do revision. Okay. Then yeah, this is a questions that is gone from last year. It's basically what is this questions? Oh, I demonstrate what is the XXS. Okay, demonstrate what is XXS by the kind of related to JSON-P. Yeah, this is the code that we use to inject a script tag. Okay, is actually if I can attack your site and add this code, what will happen? Okay, the story is even more funny. Is say that I can type this thing into your comment box. Okay, so when you comment, you will comment and see my comment. You run this code. Then what will happen? Yeah. Then yeah, this is I can skip this not. Yeah, you can see the regular expressions come again. Okay. Then here, if you have missed last week lecture, okay, so this is not last week, I mean this week, and also the week before last, okay, is talking about this, okay, the PHP comments. And here, all right, how to answer this? Yeah, I love this. What happened? There's a bug. Of course, there's no line number. Why is this bug? Yeah, this question has a problem. I mean, this code has a problem. When you execute it, what is that? What is the output? This don't say that. Yo, missing line 10 with the extra. Okay, that's no. Okay, let's delete it. Let's delete it. Where is the annotation tools? Okay. Okay. So, what is the bug? Yes? What is the line number that have some problem? 3. Starting with line 3 with some problem. Do you know why line 3 has a problem? Oh. No one knows? Only a few people know? Okay. Yeah. JavaScript sucks. Okay? It loves to give you extra semicolon. When they think that is a nice place or possible place to put a semicolon there, they will do it. Okay? So line 3, the return statement, is a nice place to put a semicolon there. Okay? Then that means that when you run this code, run this function, the return value is nothing. Okay? But in JavaScript, nothing. What is nothing? It's undefined. Okay, that means nothing is undefined, and then it will become undefined dot my name. Okay, so the program will return error. Okay, because undefined don't have a field called my name. Okay, so yeah, can you see this again? Yeah, that's why I teach HTML5, right? Okay. What is it? Oh, again the same questions, but I change something. I change the story, but don't change the content. I change the story, so then when you look at it, it's not the same, but when you look at it, it's the same. Okay. Now after I show you the 2 past paper, yeah, what is your feeling? Difficult? Horrible? Or yeah, we can do it. Okay. Yeah. So. This is my goal, okay? I mean, not my goal to copying. Okay? My goal is to set up a not so difficult examination so that every people will get a good marks in examination, and we will use the project to differentiate your grade. Yeah, suddenly silence. Yeah. Yeah, that's my goal. My goal is to use the project to differentiate your grade. Okay? So that means that if you don't want to let the project differentiate your grade, yeah, get a bad exam, okay? And then I don't need to do anything. Okay? So I expect every people will get a good exam. I expect every people will do a nice project so that I have a nightmare in giving out A's. Okay? Well, this is another I cannot record this.